Hello, today we will guide you through how to add a user to Google Ads account. To begin, open Google Ads and sign into the account where you want to add a new user. Make sure you are in the correct account before making any changes, especially if you manage multiple advertising accounts. Taking a moment to confirm this at the start can help avoid sending an invitation from the wrong place. Once you are inside Google Ads, look for the admin area. This is where account level settings are managed, including permissions and user access. Click on Admin, then locate Access and Security. This section is where you can view current users, manage their roles, and invite someone new to the account. After Access and Security opens, look for the plus icon. This is the option used to add a new user. Click the plus icon to begin the invitation process. At this point, Google Ads will open the form or setup flow needed to create the invitation. From here, follow the prompts shown on your screen. The exact options may vary slightly depending on your account type or the version of the interface you are seeing, so it is best to proceed based on what Google Ads displays. Typically, this part involves entering the new user's email address and choosing the appropriate level of access for that person. Be careful when selecting permissions and give only the access level they actually need. For example, some users may only need standard access while others may require administrative permissions. Choosing the right level helps keep the account secure and organized. As you complete the setup, review the details carefully before moving forward. Double-check the email address and confirm that the role or access level matches the person's responsibilities. A quick review at this stage can prevent confusion later and reduce the need to edit permissions after the invitation has been sent. Once everything is filled out and looks correct, click Send Invitation. Google Ads will then send the invitation to the user, and they will need to accept it before they can access the account. If they do not see the invitation right away, it may be helpful for them to check their spam or promotions folder as well. And that's it. You have successfully started the process of adding a user to your Google Ads account.